It's Anna here, and today I want to share what I found after taking a closer look at a supplement that's been showing up everywhere online lately called Meta Trim BHB. A lot of people are talking about it, asking if it really works and wondering whether it's actually worth trying. So I decided to do my own research, read the official information, check real customer feedback, and understand exactly what this product is before making any opinion. And in this video, I'm going to explain everything in a simple and honest way, so you can decide for yourself without getting confused by all the ads on the internet. First, there is one very important thing you need to know, and that is where Meta Trim BHB is actually sold. According to the official source, this supplement is available only through the official website. You normally will not find the real product in local stores, pharmacies, or random online marketplaces. And this matters because the product has become popular, and because of that, some fake versions have started appearing on other websites. These copies may look similar, but they may not contain the real formula, which can be risky and misleading. So if you want to check the real product safely, I placed the official link in the description and also in the pinned comment below this video. Now, let's talk about what Meta Trim BHB actually is. Meta Trim BHB is described as an advanced exogenous ketone supplement designed to help the body enter a metabolic state called ketosis. Normally, your body burns sugar for energy, but when you are in ketosis, your body starts burning stored fat instead. The idea behind this formula is to help support that process without needing extremely strict dieting. It contains BHB Ketone Salts, which are commonly used in keto-style supplements to support energy levels, metabolism, and daily performance. Another ingredient mentioned in the formula is Irish sea moss, which is known as a mineral-rich superfood that may help support overall wellness and metabolic balance. Because of this combination, the product is promoted as something that may help with daily energy, focus, and appetite control when used consistently with a healthy routine. Now, what can you realistically expect? Some users say they notice better energy during the day, less craving for snacks, and improved focus, especially when they use the product regularly. Others say the results are more gradual and become noticeable only after using it for a few weeks. And this is important to understand. This is not a magic pill. Like most supplements, it works best when combined with proper diet, enough water, good sleep, and regular activity. The recommended use, according to the official information, is taking the capsules daily with water and staying consistent. They also mention a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means if someone is not satisfied, they can request a refund. This kind of guarantee usually shows that the manufacturer is confident about the product, but still, every person's body is different, so results can vary. So, overall, if you are looking for a supplement to support your metabolism, energy, and daily routine, Meta Trim BHB is one of the products that many people are currently talking about online. If you want to read the full details, check the ingredient list, or see the official page, you can use the link in the description or the pinned comment below this video. If this video helped you understand the product better, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.